Imagine running a business but feeling lost in the complexities of finance. You are not alone. Many face challenges with commercial management. But today, we'll break it down simply and effectively. Commercial management oversees the relationship between costs and revenues. It's crucial for a company's profitability. Understanding this can elevate your business strategy. First, let's outline the key components. We'll cover budgeting, cost control, value management, and risk assessment. Each step interlinks, creating a cohesive commercial strategy. Start with budgeting. Establish a clear financial plan. Set realistic targets for revenue and expenses. This helps guide decision-making and resource allocation. Next, focus on cost control. Monitor expenditures closely. Identify unnecessary costs and eliminate them. Implement regular financial reviews to stay on track. This boosts profitability. Now, let's discuss value management. Assess your products or services. Understand how to maximize their value. Engage with customers to understand their needs. Tailor offerings accordingly to increase satisfaction. Risk assessment is essential. Identify potential risks that could impact finances. Develop strategies to mitigate these risks. This proactive approach protects your business from unexpected setbacks. Let's take a scenario to illustrate these concepts. Imagine a restaurant owner. They start with a strict budget, tracking ingredients and staff costs. Through cost control, they notice waste in kitchen operations. They implement new procedures to reduce waste. This enhances their value by offering better meals at lower prices. Finally, they assess risks, like changing food prices. They secure agreements with suppliers to stabilize costs. In summary, mastering commercial management involves budgeting, cost control, value management, and risk assessment. Each component is crucial for business success. Now, it's time to take action. Review your current commercial management practices. Identify areas for improvement. Implement these strategies today for a stronger future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.